In a dynamic workplace, accidents can happen, but by understanding, identifying common workplace injuries, you can take proactive steps to prevent them. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common workplace injuries. Slips, trips, and falls. These are often caused by wet floors, loose cables, or cluttered walkways. Muscle strains, overexertion, lifting heavy objects, or poor ergonomics can lead to muscle strains. Cuts and lacerations, sharp tools or equipment, and improper handling can result in cuts. Burns exposure to hot surfaces, chemicals, or hot liquids can cause burns. Sprains and fractures, such as incorrect lifting techniques or slips, can lead to sprains and fractures. So the good news is that these injuries can often be prevented with proper safety measures. Training and awareness and a safety-conscious culture are essential. So to protect your workforce, remember these key tips. Maintain a clean and organized workspace, provide ergonomic equipment and training, emphasize proper lifting techniques, implement safety protocols for hazardous substances, encourage open communication about safety concerns. By identifying and addressing these common injuries, you're not just creating a safer workplace, you're safeguarding your team's well-being. Because in your workplace, safety is everyone's business.